Hi, in today's video, we will talk about how to find the GP near you. So whenever you are coming to this country and you haven't registered for your GP or you have moved from one city to another city, you will be required to find the GP near you. So this is the video for this process. So in the Google, you need to write find a GP NHS and apply search. And open the first link which says find a GP. And here you need to enter the postcode, or you can use the button use your location, and then it will detect your location automatically. But I'm gonna enter the postcode here. So I have entered the postcode and I'm going to click on the search button. Upon clicking on the search button, the results are going to be populated. So many results will be there, and you can see whether this particular GP is going to accept new patients or not. And some more details like accept out of area registration. So these are some tagging based on the GP available here. You can see the details, and whichever you are interested in, you can click on that particular GP name and you will be reaching to the more detail of that GP. So for example, I have clicked on this link, the practice Heart of Hounslow, and here all the details are coming. So for example, address is there, phone number is there, and some more informations are there, opening and closing times are there. So there is one link in the online option, visit GP surgery website. I can click here and this is going to open the website of that particular GP surgery. So you can explore few options here as well. And if I'm going to click on the new patients, then it is going to redirect me to the new patient registration page. And here there are two options, under 16 or over 16. And for new patient registration, I can click the link, I can fill the form, and I can provide the necessary details, and my GP registration will be successful. So this is how you can register yourself in NHS GP. Registering yourself is very, very important. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed this channel so far, please subscribe it, because I always post this kind of informative video on this channel. Thanks for watching.